Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Opening up and instilling a sense of deliberate connection within an important heritage terrace home, Park Villa 1873 becomes an embrace of both past and present. Together with Luigi Rosselli architects, Décor GmbH re-sculpts the home within the confines of its heritage limitations, infusing an animation through layering and purpose. Nestled into Sydney's Paddington with similar Victorian-era terrace homes, Park Villa 1873 sits across from Centennial and Moore Parks as an important contributor to the historical richness of the area. Its leafy and established surrounds afford the home an elevated stateliness, reinforced by the need for a fitting alteration. Listed on the National Estate Register, the home sought a considered connection to its courtyard, a newly formed kitchen and an open living space that would accommodate a contemporary openness. At the core of the latest iterations was the need for a better sense of flow and cohesion internally and to the rear. Together with architecture by Luigi Rosselli Architects, Décor GmbH conjures a series of gestures that rencontre the motions of the home and infuse a welcomed liveliness.